OnePlus 9 Pro occupied the first place among the company's phones for this year as it was equipped with the best Qualcomm processor, Snapdragon 888, that provides the strongest performance compared to all Android phones, and the mobile comes with the latest operating system, version 11, and the company has used one of the most powerful camera companies' professionalism in Sweden known as Hasselblad. To improve the photographic aspect of the device is also designed with curves in the back, to make it easier to use and more comfortable in the hand, and the mobile phone has one of the best types of screens, LTPO Fluid 2 AMOLED, which supports Quad HD Plus quality display, and supports many technologies for improving the display. And below we will learn about the price and specifications of OnePlus 9 Pro in detail, with a full explanation of the most important advantages and disadvantages of the phone. Without lengthening, we will start on the most important specifications. Processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 octa-core. Camera, Quad 48, 8, 50 and 2 MP/front 16 MP. Internal memory/RAM, 128 grams with 8 RAM/256 grams with 12 RAM. Screen, LTPO Fluid 2 AMOLED, measures 6.7 inches. Battery, lithium polymer with a capacity of 4500 mAh. Operating system, Android 11. These were the most important specifications that every researcher needs about this phone. And now let's go to the most important features of this phone, as well as its shortcomings and its current price. The OnePlus 9 Pro has one of the most powerful camera systems ever, especially since the cameras are controlled by a company that specializes in professional cameras. The mobile phone carries a new type screen with technologies that surpass the Fluid AMOLED screen previously used in OnePlus phones, and it also supports Quad HD Plus display quality, with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and a mode of 1 billion colors, to be able to compete with the leading Samsung mobile screens. The weight of the device is relatively medium, and it comes with an IP68 certified water and dust resistant body, and it is manufactured from glass and metal materials. The best processor that has been used so far in any Android device, and it is able to run many heavy Windows games at the highest quality and with complete smoothness. The charging technology of the battery is sufficient to recharge it in only about half an hour, and the battery capacity is sufficient to operate the mobile phone until the end of the day. Cons and disadvantages of OnePlus 9 Pro. OnePlus 9 Pro does not support adding memory expansion cards in the first place. The front camera is pretty standard and you can get better selfie cameras for almost half the price. It does not support the separate headphones input and the radio system, as is the case for phones in this price category. And the price of the mobile €899, equivalent to $1,065, a copy of 128 GB and 8 GB RAM. This was our topic today. We will meet in other topics in other sessions. Goodbye. We have reached the end of the video. If you like the video, tap the like button, and if you don't like it, tap the like button as well. Do not be stingy. Thanks to those who liked the video and subscribed to the channel.